Hello traders, welcome to the Friday forecast. So now is 5:22 p.m. London time and I have stopped trading, so not taking any trades, of course, after 5 p.m. London time. Even before, I would say 4 p.m. London time is my cutoff time. This is the Euro US dollar and we haven't gotten any sort of a setup on this pair. We have just gotten an indication of a larger range. So there was this impulse that perhaps signaled to some people that we had a descending and then we reversed to the upside with a nice close. But for me personally, we were definitely moving from an ascending channel into a descending channel, so expected more range bound price action at this level. Definitely was not interested in taking any sort of a setup like this, and it would have been a 1% loss anyway, so it's good that I did follow my plan. What happened? Well, we left a huge wick and broke the low, left a huge wick. So overall price action is also stuck in a range, and I'm expecting a larger range in this area like this. So on Monday, what I will be looking for is I will just be looking for a trend to start to the upside or a trend to start to a downside. Nothing else would really fit my plan. Any sort of reversals, I would just stay out because the price is stuck in this flat range. Now for the euro and the Japanese yen. So the Japanese pairs have actually been moving. So I lost all of my lines. I don't know why. This is fucking trading view. Oh, here it is. So we had this ascending and then we did impulse up. I believe no entry formed right here, but I was definitely looking for a flag. I was really happy to see this impulse after an ascending, because on the euro pairs this impulse is known to then start to trend. So what happened? Well, let's see. A flag did not form. Instead, we broke the high with momentum. So as you can see, the flag just did not form and the break left a wick. At that point, I was not looking for anything because of the wick. I expected a range or a reversal. So I wanted to see a clean close at the top here. And then what happened? Well, we broke the high again, retraced, broke the low, retraced, then continued, but then broke the low, retraced, then broke the high with momentum. This again doesn't fit my plan. So we have an ascending going into a descending. This impulse is just coming out of nowhere, so I just wasn't looking for anything. And currently the price left a huge wick and then broke the high, retraced, indicating to us a larger range in this general area, especially on a Monday, which is usually a slow day. We can expect a range like this. And I'm just waiting for a large impulse up, a trend to start, or a large impulse down, also for a nice downtrend to start. That's it for EJ, Aussie US dollar. We are starting to impulse down. Prior price action was stuck in range, definitely. And we broke the low. So we broke down here, broke the low, retraced, broke the high, retraced, left double wicks down, left double wicks up, but then continued down. On Monday, what I will be looking for, of course, after the London Open, that's what I'm waiting for. I'll be looking for a break and retest trade like this, or for it, actually in the mornings I would actually wait for more of a push to kind of confirm this downtrend, because again, prior price action, range bound, so I want more of a confirmation to the downside. I want more of a downtrend, then I would be looking for a trade. Also, we can see if we maybe get a V reversal, a range, a push up, and then a flag or a trend to go up. But then again, let's just look for the price to move away from the structure as on the euro and the US dollar pair. Now for the Aussie and the Japanese yen, so some traders did take this flag right here. Some people did take it. For me, it didn't fit my plan because after a V reversal, usually we expect a larger range. But the thing with this V reversal is that it did continue further up. So this was the V, and then this kind of continued, and the V reversal ended up being in favor of this second leg. Very interesting, definitely something I will backtest and make a chart. What happens after this V reversal that has a bigger second leg? Do we continue up? Because this flag did work out, and I know some traders made some good percentage. Definitely will look into it, but again, it's just one trade, and on a larger scale this doesn't mean anything, so we can't or one trade doesn't matter. What matters is the yearly result. But definitely we'll try to make a chart this setup, see if it actually works out. Then on the top we broke the high retrace, then we broke the low, continued. You wouldn't get tapped into a reversal right here. Then we continued down again, broke the low, retraced, broke the high, retraced. And yeah, looks the same as the Aussie US dollar, I believe. Yeah, so this is going down, but kind of doesn't look that good. I will look for this impulse to continue. Then I will look for a flag or a break and retest, definitely. So we will see if we get that sort of a setup, or I will look if we maybe get a V reversal, range, push up, and then a flag or uptrend. So let's see if this maybe continues down. Do be patient on a Monday, of course. The pound, I believe it's still stuck. Oh, it broke the low here and retraced. So this was the most recent low. This was the most recent high. In between, I was not looking for anything. There were just too many wicks. This is not the type of setup I'm interested in taking on the pound. Just the price action was too messy. And now we broke the low and retraced, just slightly left a wick. I'm expecting a larger range in this area, and I believe you already know what I'm looking for in this pair. I'm always blabbering about it. So I'm looking for push up, break and retest, or a push down and a break and retest like this. Very simple, and that would be it for the pound. Just waiting for a large impulse up or a large impulse down. For NJ, New Zealand, and the Japanese yen. So for this one, well, what happened? There was a 3-bar flag right here. This would have been your entry candle. Again, didn't fit my plan because of the V reversal. I expected a larger range, but again, something to backtest. If this second leg continues up, if the second leg continues up and then gives us a nice tight entry, is it worth taking? Well, I will find out in my backtesting, of course. Something for you to backtest also. And yeah, so some traders did make some nice profits on this entry right here. And what was good also was that we had this V reversal, and it kind of took out all of the liquidity located here, here, even here. So the traders, let me draw it out also. So the traders that are maybe going long here, going long here, going long here, they all got taken out. See, really simple. That's what the market makers do. They take you out and then they push the price in the opposite direction because they're building their position here, 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 building the position and just filling their buy orders. Something I missed, something I did not see, but again, I wouldn't take anything because I expected the larger range after the V. So that's about it for the forecast. Let's actually forecast this pair. So what it is doing, it is signaling to me a range. So we broke the high retrace, broke the high retrace again, broke the low, retraced, broke the high retrace, broke the low, left a huge wick and kind of filled it, but not very good. Let's see if maybe this momentum will continue. As on both the Aussie pairs, let's see if this will continue and then maybe give us an entry. Or if it will give us a V reversal, range, push up, and then a flag or break and retest. That's about it for forecast. I'll see you guys in the next video on Monday, and just be more patient. Do backtesting, do naked charting, look for the V reversals, look what happens when the second leg is much bigger. So definitely check it out, and I will see you guys in the next video.